hope you have done your test well. You had any doubt in that part? I don't think so. Right. So we were discussing about the lesson components of food. I hope during these holidays, because of Corona's effect, you are not going to school, you are not going out of the house because of Corona effect. Your mommy and daddy are saying don't go out of the house, not playing much games and all. So as the result of that, by eating, sleeping and reading, writing, only that much is your daily routine. I hope you are doing only so much. Because of that, you might have good little fat, right? Do a little bit exercise inside the house only. Be safe. Okay, protect yourself properly. Now come to the next part of the lesson, that is components of food. In that components of food, we discussed about what are the different components of food, and in that the different nutrients that are present in the food that we are eating. So among that, we discussed about carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Along with that, in our food, we also need dietary fibers and water. What are dietary fibers? These are nothing but roughage. These do not provide anything, any nutrients to our body, but they required by our body in order to remove the undigested food. How we will get those dietary fibers? We will get those dietary fibers in the form of when we eat fruits, vegetables, as well as cereals, pulses, etc., etc. Right? These forms a bulk along with our food. We need very sufficiently these dietary fibers also along with our other nutrients. Alright, so now what comes the next? The next comes is water. Yes, water is also very important. So whatever the food we eat, the nutrients that is present in the food should be absorbed by the body. How it is, the water absorbs all the nutrients that whatever we eat in the form of food, and it will be supplied through the blood. Alright, so now, where we will get the water, how in the form of what way it will go to our body. So we drink water, we drink tea, coffee, milk, etc. in that form also. And while preparing the food, we use water to cook the food, right? And we eat fruits, vegetables and all. So those also possess water content, right? So all these serves whatever the water required to our body. So daily average you have to drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water per day, right? What happens is that, so along with it absorbs, so it also removes the waste in the form of sweat as well as urine. So water is also essential to our body. So this is about your different components of food. Along with that, minerals, dietary fibers, what are the purpose of those, right? Next comes balanced diet. So this is what I said in the beginning. During holidays, since you are not doing much physical exercise, I feel you might have grown little fat, right? Don't give a chance for that. Now, what is balanced diet? The food that we eat daily forms what is called as diet. Will we will be able to get all the nutrients by eating the common type of or any single food? No. So we have to have variety in our food in order to get all the nutrients that is required. The food that gives all the nutrients that are required by our body is called as balanced diet. What is balanced diet? The food that provides all the nutrients, okay, all the nutrients that are required by body in proper proportion, called as balanced diet. So balanced diet helps in the balanced growth of the body. Alright, sir. Now, so what are all the forms the balanced diet? So, right, as I told you in the beginning, by eating one common type of food, we are not able to get all the nutrients. So we have to have variety in our food. Okay. Along with that, as I told you, we have to have fruits also, vegetables also in our diet. All right. So now, what are the different things that serves for this balanced diet? So only the rich source of food won't give you all the nutrients. So the common sources for the balanced diet are pulses, cereals, banana, vegetables. Alright, these are not too expensive. This also provides what is our body required as a balanced diet. Alright, so next comes eating the right kind of food is not only enough, so it should be cooked properly. Should be cooked properly. So what is it should be cooked properly means? It means, so while cooking some of the nutrients will get lost. So how it is to be cooked so that it should not lose its nutrients that are present in that food. Right, like that it should be cooked. Similarly, vegetables and fruits after peeling, after removing the skin, if you wash, it results in the loss of minerals as well as some vitamins. So that's the result of that. It should be taken care. So next comes the different thing what we need. What happens if we are not going to have the balance? We will discuss that part in the next class. To sum up today's class, I explained you about dietary fibers, water and balanced diet. What is balanced diet is important. What are the functions of dietary fibers? Right? And what serves for balanced diet and what serves for advantage. Alright? Read the lesson, read repeatedly so that you will understand this lesson more thoroughly. Right? So we will see the remaining in the next class. Today I am going to send you the notes of this lesson. You have to copy after completing that first lesson. I hope you are going to do so. Alright? All the best to you. Thank you.